That's a cute toy.
Yeah, there's a buggy right in McDonald's drive-thru.
Can we pet it?
No,
We're stopping here.
we're gonna get ice cream.
Oh, so this is, oh yeah, ice cream is here. Ice cream's here too. Daniel, check this, right there. I'll do that. Okay, now don't do that one. Dang it.
What you looking at, Boo?
Look, fries.
Fries? Where are we?
Fries. Chicken nugget Happy Meal.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Oh, flowers are on up there. Look up there. There's flowers. Oh, on the ceiling.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and look, there's some yellow ones right over there. They're gonna climb the sleigh.
Are you dipping your apples in ketchup?
Hey, Mom. Food. Wait, why did the penguin? Why did the duck climb up that pole?
Why?
Because he wanted to get a flag.
Good one, goofball.
T.
What now?
Why did the penguin climb up the tree?
Okay. I don't know why.
Why penguin climb up a tree?
I don't know why.
Because he wanted to get an apple. It's an apple tree, I bet. Isn't it? It's an apple tree, isn't it?
Was it an apple tree, Vanna?
That's apple.
Oh, good apples.
Apple. Ooh, I want an apple. Want to have one? Hey, mine. I don't have none.
You both got 2 packages.